Welcome back. Well, the tortillas are being assembled now, and then the ingredients are chicken, cheese, grated carrot, smoked paprika. It's like a smoky bacon smell, and I've just had a whip of it. And if you love Mexican food, well, this recipe is for you. And some sour cream is going on top of the tortillas as well, along with some grated cheese, which melts very nicely. And just with the chicken, viewers, the chicken has to be cooked through very well. Otherwise, if you eat uncooked chicken or chicken that is not cooked properly, you will get quite sick. So be careful with chicken. So the chicken is being cut up into small pieces and will be fried cooked in some oil. I will be back after the break.